Very vocal supporter. Ryan's mum and dad are there too.
Ryan's 6 foot and nearly 90 kg, and we've seen some of the bigger ninjas struggle tonight, Ben.
He'll be hoping to buck that trend, and now the log grip. He's got fantastic core strength, and the size helps on some obstacles. It can be a hindrance on others. Here he is, legs wrapped around it. Makes no mistake of that one. This is different, Freddie. This is a big challenge, this next one.
Oh, sleepless nights about this obstacle. Needs to get some speed. Come on, Ryan. Oh, starting off slow, but he's sure-footed. Doesn't matter how you get across, just get across it.
Ryan Solomon completed his heat with little fuss. He didn't get too caught up in the moment, and I think that's exactly his approach in the semi-finals.
Well, he's a Queenslander, and that's the kind of Queensland approach. No nonsense, just get the business done and have a look at all of those muscles in that body as he negotiates his way down this cargo net.
Well, he's used to working hard. He's a plumber, and all the way through this competition, remember, the tradies, they have been outstanding.
And his time is looking outstanding as well. He's neck and neck with Ben Poulsen. And here he goes, now taking on the big wheel.
The first big wheel. He's got 2 more to conquer.
Let's go. Grabs onto the second one.
Come on, baby. You got this.
And this third one acts like a pendulum. Needs to get it moving
Sweet,
so he can find the distance he needs to get onto the mat. Oh.
Did he hurt his ankle there?
I think he did.
Hurt his ankle on the dismount. Is that going to cause him trouble going up the wall?
Well, I hope not, but I think you saw already he struggled a little bit with the wall in his heat. 2 minutes on the clock at the moment, and he's there.
He's still pretty cautious on that ankle. You can see, you'd think it'd have to slow him down. 4:40 is tonight's fastest time. But right now, Ryan just needs to keep moving.
And here he goes, making his way through the swinging spikes. His time is good too. He's the fastest to this point, but can he keep that going? All of a sudden, he's got his back turned on the next spike. He's going to have to work out a way around that, and he does. He turns the body around and finds enough room to grab a hold of it.
Up high, babe, up high.
Now, here's where the ankle might come into play. Most of our competitors use the ankle, they use the feet to grab the bottom part of these poles, although this is another strategy we've seen some of them doing. Instead of grabbing it on either side of the pole, they're pushing from one to the other.
You've done this plenty of times. You've got this.
As you get tired, you do start to slide down the poles. Give yourself as much height as you can. So if you do start slipping, you're high enough to give yourself a little bit of room.
Incredibly, despite that ankle, he is still on track to beat tonight's fastest time. He's got 1:10 to get up that chimney to the buzzer, and he is not giving up, Ben.
The face is the giveaway, though, at this part of the obstacle course, and he has started to show that he's struggling a little bit.
The brain saying, I just need to get one foot following the other, and he does.
Here we go, just 7 metres separating Ryan Solomon and a chance of reaching the grand final and a crack at Mount Midoriyama.
This is his moment to shine. Ryan Solomon, 28 years of age, a plumber by day, and he takes on the chimney. Okay, 4:40, the time to beat. This is going to be close.
He's really getting pushed to his limits at this point.
4 metres, 5 metres.
Can he keep going? The ankle must be screaming.
7 metres, he's at the top there.
8 seconds to get to the buzzer. His body is absolutely screaming. But he's got just enough left to get himself through the hole.
And he's done that. He's on top of the world, hits the buzzer, and finishes only 4 seconds behind Ben Poulsen.